My name is Bharat Rajvanshi and I am an IT project manager. With the help of UpGrad, I am now going to Clark University to pursue MS in project management. I had done some courses with UpGrad in the past, and one fine morning I received an email from UpGrad having a mention of some foreign universities. I was immediately excited and decided to trust UpGrad with my application to the university and the visa process as well. I got the advantage of not appearing for competitive exams based on my performance in earlier courses that I did with UpGrad, and some of my credits for some courses of my MS were also completed using that. I also got a scholarship through UpGrad. So during this entire process, each and everything was taken care by UpGrad, and UpGrad has indeed become my lifelong learning partner now.